To change snooze interval of the wake up alarm in the sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Scroll down the screen. Tap snooze. When this option is on, you can see some snooze option available in the screen. Under interval section, select the desired snooze interval you like to use. As the example, we will select 10 minutes. Tap the back key. Tap save button. And then tap done button to save the change. With this setting, when the wake up alarm in the sleep mode rings, you will be provided with the snooze button that you can use to stop the alarm from ringing. If you tap the snooze button, the alarm will be stopped ringing for the selected interval, in this case for 10 minutes, and then it will ring again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.